Still relying on referrals and random Instagram posts to grow your med spa in 2025? That might have worked in 2019, but not anymore. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 proven marketing strategies we use to keep the med spas we work with fully booked. Hey, what's up, I'm Antonio, and I help med spas attract more Botox and filler clients using simple, profitable meta ad systems. Whether you're just getting started or trying to scale, these are the same strategies we use every single day in our agency. And if you're ready to grow with confidence, hit subscribe and let's dive in. So here's the problem I see all the time. Med spa owners doing all of the right things. They post consistently, they share before and after pictures, maybe they even boost a post now and then, but still nothing. No leads, or worse yet, leads who ghost, don't show, or price shop. The issue isn't your work, it's your system. Let's fix that starting right now. Tip number 1, event-based offers, right? We live in a moment-driven world, right? People act around events, not products. So instead of saying book your Botox, say something like look flawless for your class reunion, blow up bundle available this week only, bridal filler package, perfect for summer weddings. Why does this work? Right? It adds urgency without a discount. You're tying your service to their life, not just pushing a promo. Here's a pro tip. Make a content calendar around seasonal life events. You'll never run out of people or reasons for people to book. Tip number 2, Reels plus retargeting ads. Posting Reels gets you visibility, but here's what most people miss. That visibility needs follow-up. Here's the move. Step 1, post a reel showing a transformation. Step 2, set up a meta retargeting ad that shows real viewers a time-sensitive offer. Now, you're not just going viral, you're converting interest into appointments. It's how we turned a 6,000 view reel into 42 bookings in 10 days with just $80 in ad spend. Tip number 3, local lead funnel. This is a non-negotiable. You need a funnel, not a homepage. Here's the flow. Facebook or Instagram ad to a simple landing page with one offer and one button, then to a text or email follow-up. Most med spa websites are built to impress, not to convert. Instead, use a landing page built around one goal: get them to book or leave their contact info. We use this exact funnel with med spas that go from 0 leads to 80 plus in 2 weeks. Trust me, it works. Tip 4, DM or text follow-up. What happens after someone clicks your ad? That's where most clinics lose money. They let leads go cold. Here's what to do instead. Use a simple DM or text like, hey, just saw your interest in the lip filler special. I have 1 spot left for Thursday. Want it? Here's why it works. It's personal, it's urgent, it's easy to say yes. This one tactic alone can double your conversion rate. Tip number 5, value stacked offers without discounts. Here's the truth. You don't need discounts. You need to stack a value. For example, filler appointment plus free LED facial plus luxury aftercare kit this week only. That feels like a premium experience, and you didn't drop your rate by $1. Clients want the best deal, not always the cheapest one, and packaged value increases perceived quality. Bonus tip, one offer, one system. Here's a secret. Come closer. Top performing clinics aren't doing 50 things. They're doing one thing really, really well, consistently. They got one great offer, one funnel, and one follow-up system, and they optimize it weekly. Don't overcomplicate, simplify, and scale. If you want to shortcut all of this, I built 2 resources for you. First, the $29 Med Spa ad kit. It comes with plug and play ad copy, a Canva templates, and a full walkthrough so you can launch your first campaign in just 30 days. The second, the free Botox and filler checklist. It breaks down the 10-step framework we use to help our clients consistently stay booked out. Both links are in the description below. You've got the skill. These strategies will bring the clients. I challenge you. Try just one this week and let me know how it goes in the comments. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.